This morning you join me on a Gribin. I've come up pre-dawn, walked up in the dark. Sunrise is about 15 minutes away. Time to get kitted up. It's been a little bit icy on the way up. This snow's now a couple of days old. Been a few people going up and down it, so I'm going to put crampons on. Haven't needed them so far, but it gets steeper from here, so it'd be nice to have them rather than not. First time on this season for me. Always exciting. Onwards and upwards. Happy days. What a morning. Now the question is, will we be able to fly down? There's no wind, which makes it a bit harder, especially up here where it's all steep, because there's no nice grassy takeoffs for me to run down. We'll have a look, see if we can find something. If not, walk down. It's no hardship on a morning like this. Stunning. So the wind's really picked up as I've got to the top. I did just get my wing out with the intention of flying down, but I couldn't lay the wing out, it kept getting blown away. That's always a bad sign. So I've packed it away again in a bit of a mess now, and I'll walk down. We'll see though, if I lose some height, I might be able to find another takeoff, so we'll go and have a look and see what we can find.
There's not much that I'm good at, babe. There's so little time. There's not much I wanna do with my life, babe. Is that such a crime? To me, romance was dead. The chance I made me king were only in my head. You promised me the best a man can get. The song I stole your heart was only in my head.
Oh, mega! What a flight! So I did find somewhere in the end. I managed to fly off the top of Eryri Ridge. The wind's been changing direction all over the place, but mega! Another beautiful morning.